Hi, a lot of people love to eat in a restaurant that have excellent service. But did you know 16% of restaurants shut down within the first year of operation and 18% of restaurants closed their operation in the first 5 years. Let's take a look why it's happened. We must admit those problems always occur to us. So, to solve those problems, we have created an artificial intelligent robot that can act as a waiter. This robot has been programmed with deep neural network using Python. This program can make it talk like a human, so that we can communicate with this robot through speaker and microphone that has been built for it. As a waiter, you can make the order only just talking to the robot. Just ask the robot anything. For the movement, it has been programmed to control using hand gesture movement. It is mean it can move due to the movement of the human hand. So let's take a look what it can do. Hello Sophie.
Hi, what can I do for you?
How you doing?
I'm good.
What's special here?
Many of our customers love Italiano.
Take my order please.
What you want to order, sir? You can read the instruction for command.
One please.
You've selected Hawaiian. That would be $7.50.
5.
You've selected simply cheese. That would be $7.50.
Done.
Input your table number.
23.
This is your order. Your total bill is $15. Thank you. Your order already submitted to our chef. Please wait.
When customer done ordering food, their order list will automatically send to the chef. Not only chef can access customer order list, cashier also can access their order list using HTTP. So, how can it talk and think? This robot has trained by DNN. DNN is one of a type of neural network. It is come from neuron in a biological brain. Like human, each connection, like the synapses in a biological brain, can transmit a signal to another neurons. Neural network take in data, train themselves to recognize the pattern in data, and predict for a new set of similar data. First, we have an input layer which receives the input. The output layer predicts the final output. In between exists the hidden layer which performs more computation required by our network. Each data that we will train will feed to each neuron of the first layer. Neurons of one layer are connected to the neurons of the next layer through channels. These channels are assigned a value known as weight. Input are multiple to the corresponding weight, and their sum is sent as input to the neurons in the hidden layer that associate with the value called bias, which is then added to the input sum. This value is then passed through a threshold function called activation function. The result determines if the particular neuron will get activated or not. Unactivated neurons transmit data to the neurons of the next layer. This is called forward propagation. At the output layer, neurons with the highest value determines the output. The predicted output compared against the actual to realize the error in prediction. The system will give an indication to reduce the error. The information is transferred backward through our network. This is known as backpropagation. Based on the information, the weight is adjusted. After all the data passed through forward and backward propagation, it is called as one epoch. We train this data for 5,000 epochs. The more epoch that we determine, the more accurate output is, the more human this robot can be. Just kidding. That's all this robot can do. Robot can be helpful to solve those problems that always occur to human. It is faster than human in sending order lists to the chef. With this system, your order never goes wrong again. Human also prefer ordering food just by talking. During this pandemic, it can be helpful to practice social distancing between humans. Reduce direct contact with human in the right way. Stay safe. Let's robot do people's work. Thank you. Hope you enjoy my presentation.